Eye show speed, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. We present to you the white eye show speed with a mustache. Listen, this is already the 3rd episode. Stabby's been on vacation for 2 weeks, so we don't need to explain again that we don't want a gap in the recordings during this time. Krzysztof doesn't shave his mustache just like Sebastian, all right?
Now we're just putting weird things into the air fryer here. Yeah, you into yours.
Me into mine. In the previous episode, I wanted to go for more expensive things like blue cheese, sushi, carpaccio. You know what I mean? We're recording both parts on the same day, so we're wearing the same clothes, only the dishes change. Oh, please, always, when we do something, soon these t-shirts will hit the market. Whenever we do something, we want something more. More creative, cooler, and luxurious.
I have the basics, so to speak, and one directed at you.
But I haven't said yet what I have. I just said what I had back then, and now I want to bring up, please. I've already rinsed the beef tripe.
They don't disgust me.
I know, but I know you don't like it. I know you don't like this either.
Well,
I don't really follow it, although lately more and more. So I won't be so bad to you because you won't be sitting here for Staba anymore.
oh, there he is.
I took something.
What is it, pistachio?
Dubai ones, donuts, that's my set. Buddy, what did you make at the store?
And I love American blueberries. Another thing, if it works out, we can also fill them. These are steamed buns. And here's one for you.
Oh, thank you. I have one for you too. I have one for you too. What a coincidence, man. That's how it goes. Well,
Marcin often just eats steak tartare. Tartare with toast, and that's his usual choice.
so I'll just throw in the tripe, Roman. I didn't add oil. I'll add a bit of oil, folks, because I was supposed to pour it in, but I forgot. All right, I'll just mix it. How are you arranging it?
Exactly. I have one like this, one like that, and the third one like this. All right, let's go. I really like pampucci.
That's how it's done, Krzysztof. All right, and now I'll rinse them.
I'll likely prepare your meat last for the blueberries, but also already.
Then the blueberries, the meat.
But if we're not cutting,
I'll just rinse it so that the bud's at the end, so it doesn't smell like fish. Okay, we're getting there, but that's the plan. Yeah.
that's it. I like it, but never mind. We'll do it live. That's just me. You can't cut or break this up.
I'll tell you this. What I do is, when I take it out for a sandwich, because I already have everything, I like to have a jar. Look, I fold it in half, I set it down like someone addressed an envelope to me, and now look, I have 4, I flip it out and each one separately for myself. I use it for 2 sandwiches, but you could do 4, that's it.
So what? This is live. Straight into the air fryer.
See, that's it, right? Now you'll know.
How I remembered. That's how you remembered. We'll start with... Hey, that's a nice bun.
But it'll go down well, oh damn.
Oh, like your dumplings.
Like my dumplings.
And we have pork shoulder.
Shoulder damn, will you grab with it, right?
Yeah, shoulder, pork shoulder.
So, what are we taking?
I'll pour it in now. Ah,
Jesus, I always mess something up.
no. Oh, the pain. Hey, but friends are cool. Okay, let's try. Hey, delicious toast, but with breadcrumbs. Hey.
Delicious, it's with yogurt and jam. There's no salt. I think it's a bit sweet, but also like a sweet bun.
Honestly, for me, well, it's like if I just took some breadcrumbs and ate them,
But with jam?
but it's really good.
When you scream, we don't have jam, we don't have jam. God,
What bad luck, damn.
what bad luck. These tails stink and are spoiling.
They stink terribly and there's jam all over here.
But this is dedicated to the cold wood.
This is a piece, it's orange, I'd even give you the peels.
Let me tell you, the bread is misunderstood. This is delicious and dedicated. Nothing really happened here, so there's nothing here. Oh, this one is different. Here's bread and here's the crust.
The whole thing. But it's also good, kind of like they just baked a fresh roll for this,
But this is better than the suckers.
than the steamed one.
I can't complain. I can't expect it to be a complex flavor because it's just your meat. It's simply bread. This is a product that I can dip in cucumber. I can bake it. It's something different. Realize that it's fresh, that it's crunchy, that it's warm, really. If you put Nutella on it, it melts. It's delicious. It's delicious. I give it a 9. Me too. We both give it a 9.
I'd even give it a 9.5, really.
But it's awesome. Yeah, first try, perfect.
I'm not ready.
Ooh, but they stink. We put one in whole like that, and I'm cutting this one like you did, all right?
And day by day.
Damn, he went out for the night, don't even...
Day by day.
This is some kind of joke, isn't it?
Don't tell me things like that.
Don't say these are hopeless.
Come on, split it in half.
Nothing good here yet, so no point skewering it crookedly. It should be done already, but it will have to be.
I'll tell you.
That the consistency is getting better and better. No, and you have something in yours, of course. Show what has changed. Damn you. We skipped that stage.
You're going behind the glass.
But do you know what we're going to soak in it? I know, our dumpling, it's going to be a dip. In my opinion, yours is already damn.
So moist, juicy.
We made delicious jam. Let's pause to wash the air fryers, then we'll return. What you decided, donuts, that was mine, so it goes in here like this.
To make it sweet. Oh, Jesus, but this jam looks delicious, Jesus.
And here it goes in.
Yes.
Listen, Tatar, and we have left. Yes, herring. Only herring is left for us. So, from what? We'll start with a snack to go with the drink.
Not a snack. Hey?
It looks awesome and it crunches. It looks...
But herring, don't do that because I have to. I have to watch you.
Help me, I need to survive. First, it smells awful. I don't recognize it.
Actually, I do know it. It's like when you take off a shoe, that shoe, when you take your foot out of a shoe.
Yeah, I know. After training, I look at my shoe, but I've never smelled one like this before. It's not that bad, but I psyched myself out. The worst part is when you're so tired you get a flop in your mouth and it has no taste. Dude, wait a second.
I'm waiting a lot. It's awful. No texture or taste.
0.
They're better in soup.
Shishu, maybe we can save this?
Mine smells so nice.
That's yours. I forgot that I don't have any donuts.
I have a bakery. Bye.
Oh, wow.
What a caramel.
The sugar flows out, the icing sets. That's cool. I'm mixing.
This is for stuntmen. Staba would tell you that this is a 9.
Let's take a thin one. Oh, that's nice.
Such a messed up penny is garlic.
There's pepper. You can't eat this. But I think that if someone covers it, those tripe, maybe soaks them in something to get rid of the smell, then you just have these crispy skins. If this works out for us, if it's gonna be...
Sugar trees without anything.
You know, it tastes like those jars of that stuff. What's it called? All Nutrition SFD.
And fruity, that's gel. Not gel, but that jelly.
Yes.
Yeah, I know, all right.
He gels himself so slick without a gram of sugar.
This is the luxury of such things. If someone gave me jam like that, would I pay for it? That's the question.
See how fast you can finish a pack of blueberries.
I'll give it 9.5, just 9.5.
This mix, it blows everything away.
I'm all inclusive, but I prefer places with fresh rolls, fresh vegetables, and everything new.
He's inclusive where there are vegetables and rolls.
I always feel like I'm breathing from a box in the store.
If your own jam means you don't have to add any gelatin, no sugar, no cream, you just have blueberries, it blows your mind, I'll also give it 9.5. Oh, Jesus, now I get it. Mine can and yours is already enough. The sugar burned. I think we went over time.
But just a little. Don't worry about it.
All right, but this one, I'm telling you, once it cools down, it probably won't be burnt inside. Okay, and now look, see what's happening here. It's gonna be awesome. Shishu, I believe you, but it stinks. Ugh, it smells like vinegar.
Oh, no, it's me. No, I'm in Marquilly at the port. That's true.
But at the port, did you only smell herring?
But there's this little bar. I crossed my legs and ordered myself some cocoa and a croissant. And it's a pistachio croissant from Dubai.
Breakfast break at 12:15 in elementary school. And the cook came up with a way to use up old rolls. So she just soaked them in sugar water and threw them in the oven. They got burnt and she says, eat, eat, it's good, it's good. No, nothing worked out for me here, but there's a better chance here. Do you know why?
Don't do it.
Oh, Jesus, Jesus, it spilled here because over there it just got too burnt.
Well, probably better. You definitely know.
That's not a donut anymore, it's more like a layered cake. It must be the pistachio one, since jam wouldn't leak like that.
For me, 9.
For me, 6. Okay, I'll stretch it to 7 since it's a warm donut, but no, it's kind of something else, something more. I felt that the fat worked in such a way that something melted.
The dough changed for me. It's usually just fluffy and floury, but here it feels like a croissant inside a donut.
But even if I didn't give it a 10, it doesn't mean you can't check out our book, which is actually called Wobabin. Anyway, you can see what it's about right now. The store Pinsosovna Piel. At a good price. We've already established that it's even smaller than a kebab box, so we'll be saying, oh Jesus, what happened there? All right, this is going to be good. Okay, we probably won't give Primoz the buns because when they were warm donuts, they were good, but now they're just dry.
We just won't put them in so they're warm.
And we'll put them in for a moment, we'll see. But he'll have to have a note that yes, they can be used.
Not so strong.
It's already dried out. No, something's already fried. Oh damn, I didn't expect that. And she went after that agent. I didn't expect that.
It looks good.
I have how to call it, but we made a mistake that I didn't make chips out of it.
So you have donuts?
Normally these are some kind of briquettes, man. But I'll be honest with you, they just kind of waffled together.
They don't seem to be dry?
But more like some kind of animal pellet. Well, let's give it a try, all right?
Hey, the inside.
Definitely better than the carpaccio from the previous episode for sure, but the salt really brings out the flavors of the reserve and the sausage. Exactly. No, I won't criticize since I can taste the meat juices.
But they're soaked with fat.
It gets weird, or maybe it doesn't. The thing is, if someone doesn't like artificial stuff, this is very gelatinous, foamy.
You bite into it, and the texture holds together. But I would eat something like this on a sandwich, for sure. For me, it's a solid 4, maybe 5. 5.
I'm giving it a 4 because I prefer the regular one, but I could eat this one once too. So what are we taking out? Let's call Primoz for the next one.
Okay, but it looks appetizing.
Despite how it looks, we'll call him for that and eat this one together later, right? Yes, Primoz.
Come on, Dad, I'm hungry. It's already lunchtime, so let's eat while it's warm. What are you scraping?
It smells nice. Hey,
So go ahead, pour it in and let's keep going.
what haven't you eaten?
You ate, we didn't eat it this way.
Yeah, while it's still warm.
All right, here you go. Let's eat this together.
Is this the coat that's being sold?
But why do they put some kind of ocean stuff in the leaves and salt?
No, well, yeah, there isn't.
No, because that's what I meant, to kill him.
Damn, I'll tell you.
That he's alive? Damn.
Wow.
He can't even recognize taste.
Hey, sweet and sour fish.
Sweet and sour fish, and there's also onion, guys.
Perfect with vodka.
Oh, because that's already vodka.
It's only Tuesday. Wow, caramelized fish and sweet and sour sauce. Damn, that's an 8 for me.
So listen up, omega-3. It'd be a shame, but this is actually worth eating. You still have a lot of herring left, and if you eat this, you'll finish 2 packs. All right, Primoz is still here. Want a Netflix snack? No, this is finger food.
Pork rinds?
And I don't know that unless the piece is too thick. You know what I mean?
I don't know. I'm looking at him. Well, I'll say this. Unless he likes them, I think I know what it is. Staba's favorite snack?
Everyone feels it. No.
That could still have some potential, and this one has seasoning. Those small ones might be good. Do you like paper? That's Polish cranberry, and this one has American cranberry. The jam worked out, but I didn't add much, and you added no sugar. Nothing, so it's a disaster.
And on its own, it's already nice, sweet. Well, after all,
But you know, what's perfectly sweet for us? Damn, this is good, not too sweet.
very good jam.
What the heck is this? A bun? There's nothing inside. Dubai style.
It kind of peeks in like it's about to snatch it from you.
I don't have any more.
Oh, damn, but I leaned on it. Oh, sorry, it's warm.
It's warm, sir. It happened. Ouch.
No, not yet. Listen, would you go to another table in a restaurant and dip your Dubai donut in someone else's jam? The jam is there for dipping. Are you going to dip? Go ahead. Wait, knife.
Maybe just give him a regular knife.
No.
Normal, plain. But what? Nothing. No, you don't feel any other qualities?
None. Dry roll. Oh, it could be used as breadcrumbs. You're dry. Oh, see, there are those notes, but it's cold. That's why he says it. No, there's no surprise. Unless it's that dumpling, the steamed kind.
And that it's good. Welcome, sir. Steamed dumpling, steamed dumpling.
Surprise welcomes you that you said if you can make a Kaiser roll out of a dumpling, it makes an amazing impression.
I kind of regret it. I thought you used a regular Kaiser roll, but you said no. I asked, what is this?
Listen, he's an amateur and already forgot. We didn't eat it that way. Say something starting with N. We eat it with Nutella, but when we gave him a plain one, he got upset, right?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that he's doing it is definitely a surprise. With Nutella, it's bigger, probably bigger than with that jam.
Without salt, it's totally different from the previous product.
Try it. This is Whirler.
And in general,
What is this? Damn, it looks medium rare. That's why I kept asking Marcin.
It cooked for about half an hour and was still sitting there.
But it's so sweet.
Pate? Well, you're close.
You're close.
No, it can't be because it's too valuable. Canned meat from a jar,
Tatar from Sokolov. Wow.
and I don't eat tatar at all. The one that was so famous 15 years ago. Yes, the one from 15 years ago.
Allowed Piotrek to make a name for himself, who exploded for the second time today.
Very good. Yes, yes, okay. Cool for a little sandwich. Like, that's exactly what we said there.
Was he a troublemaker?
Jam?
Jam like this and a dumpling like this for the jam?
No dumpling. For me, it's kind of like,
No bun.
it was impressive. But in the sense that the product,
Which I actually suggested to Krzysio that you shouldn't get those buns at all, because they were just lying here, so I threw them in. Imagine it's fluffy from the microwave, but from the air fryer it's fluffy inside with a crispy, warm crust. When you spread Nutella on it, it melts and blows your mind.
It's the kind of product you just have to give away right away. Right away.
That's what you do, and you eat it. I'm giving it to you. Where's your shirt with Velcro?
Aha, okay, right. Where is my shirt?
Right, it belongs
I haven't bought it yet. Need to check it out.
only the booklet ahead. Okay, here you go. Thanks, Nara.
All right, that was delicious. Let's move on. I'm taking a piece to snack on later. Bye.